Are you sitting on an idea but don't know how to turn them into a profitable digital business? You are not alone. I've got something for you. Most people struggle to start an online business because they feel they are not tech savvy, they have zero audience, or they don't know where to begin. It sounds familiar, right? That is why I recommend Nasayo, nas.io. This is a powerful platform that helps you build, grow, and monetize your own digital community with zero technical skill needed. So, whether you're a student, a stay at home parent, or you are stuck in 9 to 5 grind, this is for you. Or whether you're a creator or an upcoming entrepreneur, this is for you. So, when you join this community, nasayo.io, it has a lot of benefits, which includes you have to launch your own digital space in 1 minute. You can offer a free course or a paid course, resources or membership, paid or free. You can manage everything in one simple dashboard. Okay, you can aim from your content and then community. You can connect with like-minded people. All right, so this is the best platform for you. Like I said, Nasayo is a powerful community where you can grow your business, you can grow your community in just 1 minute. Everything is there for you. You can automate your audience. I have partnered with Nasayo and you can join using the exclusive link below. Let's build your digital business and turn your passion into a digital income, into a profitable digital business that you can't live to regret. Join now. Let's grow together.